We are the poverty scholars, houseless mamas, sons, uncles, and daughters, your clients and consumers, sweep survivors refusing to be swept.
There are hoarded and empty buildings in all of these settler towns.
In occupied Huichun, Oakland, in April and May, they closed tiny homes, safe parking lots, and hotels that were originally created for sweep survivors. From Mosswood Park, Wood Street, 12th Street, and Lake Merritt communities.
Whereas houseless and formerly houseless people led movements of Oakland, such as Poor Magazine and Wood Street Commons, have practical, actionable solutions to homelessness.
Same time that they're enforcing this encampment abatement policy, they're also closing down all of these shelters, and we have solutions. You know,
I am facing homelessness. I'm a highly educated Black woman. I've been in education for over 15 years. I've been a teacher on special assignment for OUSD. I've been an assistant principal as well. I am facing homelessness. All homeless people do not look the same.
I used to be unhoused myself 10 years ago, so I know what it feels like not to know where you're sleeping. To wonder if you're going to be safe, and to feel invisible in your own city.
San Francisco has closed a lot of non-congregate private room shelter for single adults. They've closed over 100 beds, net loss. All those folks are now on the street. That means at the same time, there's an RV ban, and folks are being moved out of their vehicles to the street if they weren't able to get a permit, and if they were able to get a permit, they're being offered non-congregate shelter, which again, there's over 450 people on the non-congregate shelter, or on the shelter waiting list right now.
I don't think I would be here on this earth. I don't think I would be present. I don't think I would be sane if it wasn't for solutions like homefulness. Because I started out, me and my mom, we were houseless. We were, in and out of stuff. We got a $700 rent increase living in the Mission in San Francisco. And that
to make this go away, you have the power to get people indoors, off the street,